A High Wind in Jamaica by Richard Hughes. This one is a Folio Society edition. It comes with a plain blue slipcover. And this illustration is illustrated by Mary Cooper. Let's see, the gold shininess goes through the water there. And let's have a look at the spine. It's sewn, a sewn binding. There's no ribbon. There are illustrations, several illustrations. It's not, I wouldn't say it's lavishly illustrated throughout. Gives you an idea of the style. Sort of watercolors, I guess. The book was written, did I say already? 1929. Here, see, these are the illustrations. There are half a dozen illustrations. And then the Folio Society put this one out in 2005 or 2007, 2005, with an introduction by Michael Holroyd. The story, not giving too much away, these children who were really being raised in kind of a wild way in Jamaica, but the little English kids, through one reason or another, ended up being captured by pirates and were kept on a pirate ship. And, you know, they're just kids. The oldest of them has a pretty good idea of what's going on. The youngest really doesn't. But the pirates aren't sure what the pirates are going to do with them for a while. You know, are they going to kill them? Are they going to try to hold them for ransom? Are they going to sell them into slavery? Are they just going to take care of them? That makes it sound much darker than it is. It does have dark elements to this book, there's no question, some seriously dark elements. But it also has a lot of lightness, and it's I don't think I read another book quite like this one. It did well when it came out, but I don't really know a lot of people who know this book. And I don't even remember why I got it. I don't remember on the strength of what recommendation I bought it. Once I got it, I read it and I really liked it, but I haven't been able to get anyone else to read it. I have gotten other people to start it, but it is, I don't know, they weren't able to get into it. But for me, I really liked it. Okay, so that is A High Wind in Jamaica. It's really a story about these kids. This was an edition by the Folio Society.